How do brain changes start during the schizophrenia prodromal phase? Have you ever wondered how the brain begins to change before someone is diagnosed with schizophrenia? The prodromal phase is the early stage that occurs before full psychosis develops. During this time, subtle yet progressive changes in brain structure and function start to take place. These changes are closely tied to emerging symptoms and cognitive difficulties that individuals may experience. In the initial stages of this phase, people often notice mild cognitive impairments. They may struggle with memory, attention, and concentration. These issues reflected early disruptions in the brain networks that are responsible for processing information, reasoning, and regulating emotions. Alongside these cognitive symptoms, mood changes such as anxiety, depression, irritability, and sleep disturbances frequently occur. These mood shifts indicate alterations in brain chemistry and function. Research using neuroimaging techniques has shown that brain structure undergoes dynamic changes during the prodromal phase. Key areas affected include the prefrontal cortex, which is crucial for decision-making and executive functions, and the temporal lobes, which are important for memory and auditory processing. These structural changes may involve reductions in gray matter volume and abnormalities in how different brain regions connect with each other. Notably, these changes happen before any full psychotic symptoms appear and are not simply the result of medication or the effects of a chronic illness. The changes in the brain during this prodromal phase are thought to reflect a pathological process that disrupts normal brain development and communication between neurons. This disruption can lead to early symptoms such as unusual thoughts, mild hallucinations, social withdrawal, and a decline in daily functioning. Individuals may find it difficult to perform well at school or work. Tracking these brain changes during the prodromal phase is important. It provides valuable information about the timing and progression of schizophrenia. This understanding offers a critical window for early intervention. By addressing cognitive and emotional symptoms early on, it may be possible to slow or even prevent the transition to full psychosis. In summary, brain changes during the schizophrenia prodromal phase start as subtle alterations in structure and function. These changes particularly affect areas involved in cognitive and emotional processing. They underlie the early symptoms and functional decline seen before the onset of full schizophrenia. Identifying these changes is essential for early diagnosis and treatment strategies.